Hey guys, this tutorial will show you how you can sell your WordPress plugins or themes using easy digital downloads and Appsero. First, go to your Appsero dashboard. You'll have a dashboard once you have an Appsero account. Now log into your WordPress site where you will be selling your WordPress plugin. As you can see, I have the EDD plugin and the Easy Digital Downloads Recurring Payment installed. Digital Downloads Recurring Payment was installed because it lets you sell your plugin as a subscription model. Let's create our first plugin as a product. Set the name of your plugin. In this case, the name of the plugin was set to Appsero Demo Plugin. If you want to set your EDD in a recurring method, then enable the variable pricing. In this case, I'm adding variations of the same plugin. So click on Add New Price to set as many versions as you want. Under the option name, set the version of the plugin, which in this case was set to Pro version. Then set the price, which in this case has been set to $19. The second version of the plugin will be named to Ultimate version. Again, be sure to set the price to your liking. I'm going to include another version of the plugin. Set the reoccurring to yes or no, depending on your choice. Then set the reoccurring time, which in this case was set to yearly. You can also charge higher prices for the plugin variations. Add some descriptions and set the category of your plugin if you need to. Click on Publish and then click on View Downloads to see the variations of the plugins you created. Let me show you how you can sell this plugin with Appsero. Go to your Appsero dashboard, click on Plugins, then click on Add Plugin. Choose whether or not your plugin is a premium or a free version. Now fill up the information for your plugins, such as plugin name, plugin version, and so on. The next stage asks you whether you want Appsero to manage your licensing. Of course, click on yes because you want the licensing to be done the easy way. The next page asks you if you are currently using a platform. Since EDD is not being used at the moment, I will go ahead and click on the button that says I don't use any of them. Next, you will be asked how you want to sell your plugin. I will click on the button that says I will use Easy Digital Downloads to sell. Next, you will be asked whether you want to use licensing to proceed. Click on the button that says Use Appsero. In the last stage, you will now be asked to install Appsero Helper, which is a plugin you need to download for your WordPress site. Go back to your dashboard in the Plugins section to install Appsero Helper. As you can see in this case, it has already been installed and activated. You will find Appsero Helper of the Settings drop-down list. So this is what the Appsero Helper will look like. Now go back to your Appsero dashboard and check the box that says I've installed Appsero Helper on my website. This will display an API key to connect your Appsero Helper plugin to your Appsero dashboard. So copy the API key and paste it in the Appsero Helper and click on Connect. You should get a notification that notifies the successful connection. Go back to the Appsero dashboard and click on the Verify API Key button. If the connection is successful, you will see a row pop up below. This means that your Appsero Helper, Appsero dashboard, and your EDD has been successfully synced to work together. Now click on Next and select the site you just added. This is where you are going to sell your plugin. You will also be able to see the projects you created with EDD. I already showed you how to create a plugin previously, so click on Next, and that is it. This is how you connect Appsero and EDD, so whenever there is a new purchase of your plugin, Appsero will generate a license. Now you need to add the Appsero SDK in your plugin. We have a separate tutorial that shows you how this is done. Just check the link in the description box below. To check whether the plugin has been successfully installed, click on Plugins and then click on the plugin you just added. Now navigate to Settings and click on Pricing. You will see that Appsero has accurately set the variations which you previously set on your WordPress site. You can also set the activation limit of your plugin. Make sure the prices are the same as you set in your WordPress site so that your sales analytics will be able to accurately show the sales. For a lifetime plugin, you should uncheck the box for the Enable Recurring Payment option. If you want to allow your users unlimited number of activation limits, you should leave the activation limit box empty if the plugin is a lifetime product. And also, don't forget to click on the Submit button to submit the information of your plugins. You can now check your site to see if you can make a purchase. That's it for now. Stay tuned for more videos on managing your WordPress plugin by using Appsero.